Do you know how to calculate your D&D charges? With our e-commerce platforms My CMA CGM, My ANL, My APL, and My CNC, you can organize and manage your shipments easily. For the purpose of this tutorial, we'll use My CMA CGM as the platform to guide you through the steps. Let's begin by signing in. Under Manage Your Invoices, select D&D charges to view or calculate the demurrage or detention charges. Ensure that you have a shipment or container number ready. You can select between by shipment reference or by container number to search by either shipment or container number. If you are searching by shipment number, please click Show Containers. Select the containers from the list by ticking the boxes. Then select the date of expected gate out for import or gate in for export of containers using the calendar option. Once you have selected the date, click on Calculate Charges. If you are searching by container number, please enter the number accordingly. Here would be a display of the D&D charges related to the selected containers. To see the details of the D&D charges, you can click on the arrow to expand the view. In the detailed breakdown of the charges, each tier will be shown with the corresponding rate and charges. The number of free days allocated to this shipment. The second tier of rates and corresponding charges. The third tier of rates and corresponding charges, if applicable. To view the charges for a different gate out or gate in date, you can select the new date using the calendar option. Click on Recalculate once you have selected your gate out or gate in date. Now you know how to calculate D&D charges on our e-commerce platforms. Start using this feature today.